Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always stopping by, liking, commenting and subscribing. For the new ones, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Subscribe. Feel free to tell us what you want on the comment section and stay tuned on today's episode on Joda Akbar. And please, if you want me to upload This Is Fate's updates, go to God's Missing Nollywood TV and subscribe and stay tuned for updates on This Is Fate. Salim asks Joda to go away. Mariam Zamani, leave me alone like you did 7 years back. Joda is hot and leaves crying. Ruqayyah listens to all this hiding. Salim then takes out box and tests opium. Ruqayyah sees all this. Salim is shivering. He gets fine after taking opium. Ruqayyah smirks. Salim leaves. Ruqayyah comes in his room and checks the same box, finds opium in it, tests it and says opium is tasty. I made you habituated to it and still you are addicted to it, and this is my hope. Joda says to Bible that how can we make father and son one? I want to finish their tension. Bible laughs. Joda says, why are you laughing? This is a big problem. They have grown apart. Bible says that I have seen this kind of problems between daughter-in-law and mother-in-law. Joda says not to joke. I am here to discuss same matter. Bible says you remain angry all the time. Your problem's solution is in your talk only. Joda asks what? He says that Jalal is not afraid of anyone, but he has fears for you. He gets silent in front of you. Do you shout on him like that only? Joda says sometime. Bible says now I got solution. You are solution of this problem. When women make men fight, then she can bring them closer too. Bible says you just watch. We will get chance to solve their issues in Amir. Joda smiles. Desis comes in Salim's room to give him his dress. He wears coat. One small girl and a young girl comes there and greets him as brother. Salim smiles at them and asks, what can I do for my princesses? Young one is angry with Salim. Kid says to Salim that we are angry with you. Young princess is Metab. Salim asks, what did I do? Small girl says that you are not going with us to Amir. Salim says, I have talked to Mariam Zamani. I am not going there. Small girl says, we will not go too. Salim says, you are stubborn. Small girl says, we are your sisters only, so we will be stubborn. Salim says, okay, I accept defeat in front of you both. I am coming to Amir for you, Arambanu, which means small one. And Metab, tell Jalal. They smile and leave. Bible and Joda sees this. Bible says, look what old couldn't do. These kids have done it. Joda says, what do you want to say? Is it that I am old? Bible says, no, I said that these kids are small. He says, now we will use you to make Jalal and Salim's relations fine. Joda says, get ready for Amir. Bible says, it's you who have to do. Voiceover says that after Bagwan became king of Amir, and now Mansingh will be announced as king. Jalal's caravan is leaving for Amir. Salim agreed to go to Amir on sister's insistence, but he didn't know that his future would change there only. He will meet someone there who will change his life. In Amir, king asks his ministers to do security arrangements nicely for Jalal. Minister nods. Guests start coming for function. First king Uday Singh comes with his family. Amir king says that Jalal will be coming too. It's great occasion that Jalal and you will be together here as my friend. I don't want any fight, so I request that you keep peace here. Uday says, man is like my son. From our side, there will be no fight. Daughter asks Queen, where is Princess Manbaisa? Queen asks Desi to take her. Salim is in Johnny says to Kutub that I like this place. I feel like I know this place from years. All suffocation is gone. And Akali breaks sports and says this day is bad. Okay. All things are breaking and I am not able to do anything. Zainab, her mother, comes there and says, you know Jalal's caravan is coming here. And Akali says, don't you know what we have gone through because of them? Zainab says, forget past. You know Salim is coming too. And Akali says, now I know why everything is going wrong today. His bad influence. Zainab says, don't talk like this. Let's go and see them once. And Akali says, no. Zainab says, but all your friends are coming to see him. Also, your friend Manbaisa, remember she asked you last year on function to be with her. Also, your father works in Palance. Queen have invited us. Will you insult them? And Akali says, okay, I will come. Voiceover says that other side, Salim and his caravan was coming. All kings of India were invited and all eyes were waiting for Salim only. Many princesses came there for Salim only. It was like Salim was their breath. He had become heart of nation, but question was who will reside in Salim's heart. Manbaisa is getting Mendi on her hands. Other girls says that after Joda, it's Manbaisa who is most famous. Desi says that Uday's daughter Jagat has come to meet you. Man asks to call her in. She's about to hug Jagat, but she stops her and says, you apply Mendi on my dress and you know I don't like stains. Man says, I couldn't stop seeing you. She asks girls to apply Mendi on Jagat's hand. She says, I thought you would not come as Jalal and Uday are rivals, but I am happy that you are here. Jagat finds one Dubata there and says that will you wear in welcome of Jalal? Man nods. Jagat says it's beautiful. You're wearing this for Salim? Man says yes. He is brave, nice, great warrior and prince. Who would not want to be his life partner? You know many princesses have come to see Salim. Jagat says but his eyes will stop on me only. Man says that you are so much beautiful that if Salim looks at you, he will not look at me. Then Jagat smiles. Jalal's caravan reached Amir. Salim wears the crown which Jalal was making him wear in court to announce him as court member. He has worn it for respect but still have doubt in heart. Jalal's ati is done. They are welcomed. Then princes are welcome. King of Amir hugs Salim. Queen does his ati. All princesses are gossiping about Salim. Then ati of Daniel, Kutub, Haida, Farhan and Murab is done. Boys come in room. Kutub says that all princesses were looking at Salim only. Murad says one princess was looking at me. Haida says, yeah, the old one. Kutub asks Salim, didn't you like any girl? Salim says no. Kutub says yes for Salim. A girl from heaven will come. Salim smiles thinking about her. Some princesses look at Salim stealthily. Arambano comes there and says to princesses that I will complain to Jalal that you are looking at Salim. They ask, who are you? She says, I am King Jalal's most loving Arambano. Should I complain to him? They says, no, we are going. They leave. Salim comes to Farhan and finds him smiling. He says that this kind of smile comes on soldier's face only when he wins in war or he gets news about his love. Farhan says nothing like that. Why are you wearing common clothes? Salim says that I told you many times that I am common soldier. Don't change topic. Tell me about my Bami. Farhan says you know she lives near the state. Salim says, don't make your love wait. Go. Farhan says, no, I can't. You know I am your soldier. I can't leave you. Salim says, I am telling you to go. Soldier comes there and says, Joda have called you for lunch. Salim says, tell her I will have it with my friends. Jalal and all princes come to have lunch with Amir King. Jalal is about to eat, but Joda stops him and says, wait for Salim. I have called him too. Desi comes there and says, Salim denied to come. He will have food with his friends. All get silent. Joda says, I will bring him. Jalal looks on. She leaves. Joda comes to Salim. She says, I called you for lunch. Why didn't you come? Salim says, I want to have it with my soldier friends. Joda says, all are waiting for you. I have made arrangements so that you can meet Amir kings and princes. You haven't met them in 7 years. You should meet them. Salim says, no, Amijan. You want me to have food with people whom I don't want, but I want to have food with people who were with me for 7 years, who know me the most. Joda says, no, you come with me. Daniel comes here and says, I will have food with you, Salim, as I can't eat fully in front of Jalal. Joda smiles and says, look, Daniel left from here too. Salim says, no, I will eat with my friends only. Joda says, I told you that you will come with me. Jalal comes here and says, I was waiting for you. Joda says, make him understand. He wants to have food with his friends, the common friends. And there are many kings, princesses are waiting for him. And he wants to spend time with soldiers. I won't tolerate this. Jalal says, I don't think he is wrong. You remember I had a friend. I used to have food with him. But Byron Khan never stopped me. He is not wrong. Salim shockingly looks at Jalal that he is taking his side. Joda says, you are strange one side. You sent him away to battlefield. And now you want him to have fun. If you want to make him king, then make him meet kings, princes. He should know who they are. Jalal says with time he will know them too. He asks Salim to go with his friends. Salim says, so you are allowing me to go? Jalal says yes. Don't worry about Joda. You go. Salim smiles and is about to go, but turns and says thanks to Jalal. Joda smiles that they nicely talk to each other. She says to Jalal that you agree to his demand. Jalal says he just wants to have some fun. Joda says now you will have to do what he would do. You will eat his food. Jalal says I want to have food with my friends. Joda says no, you will come with me only. Jalal says okay, I can't go against you as I will be killed. Let's go. Joda smiles and look back at Paimal, who smiles. Salim is having gala time with his friends. Salim says, let's go to horse riding. They find Danielle sleeping. Farhan says, take some rest. Salim says, no way. If I stay here, Joda will make me meet princesses and I don't want to meet anyone. I want to be alone. Kutub asks, till when? Salim says, till I don't find someone who will love me as a common soldier only. Here, princesses want to meet King Jalal's son. Here, they don't want to meet Salim. I want to meet someone who will meet Salim only, so I want to go from here. Farhan says, okay. Salim asks Kutub to accompany him, but Kutub says, no, I will stay here. Salim and Farhan comes in jungle for horse riding. Farhan says you can get in danger, but Salim says that he is not a soldier who don't fight danger. Joda's sister-in-law is making Joda ready. Joda says Jalal will not recognize me and will get angry on me. Bami says that he will not get angry. Joda says I am telling you he will recognize me. Babi says you will talk in Rajvanshi accent, then we'll know if he will recognize you or not. Joda says you will see. Salim is on horse ride alone. A snake comes there. His horse Badal gets jittery and is going out of control from behind. Anakali comes there. Salim doesn't see her. Badal moves with a jerk and hits Anakali. She falls on mud. Salim says, what did you do, Badal? You pushed a woman. He gets down and says to Anakali that I am sorry. Please give me your hand. Anakali looks at him, but her face is made with mud. Salim extends his hand. Anakali stares at him. Anakali gives her hand in his hand. Salim makes her stand up. Salim says, please forgive. Actually, there are many wild animals here, so my horse got jittery. He is an innocent animal. Please forgive. Anakali looks at him. Anakali says, it's okay. You said sorry. Salim gives her pot to her. She's about to go, but Salim says, your face is smeared and with mud. I will help you remove it. Salim puts water on face and smiles, seeing her beauty. They both smile at each other and have eye lock. They both realize and look other side. Anakali wipes water from face. Salim says, I am sorry on my horse's behalf. If you want to punish, then you can. Anakali says, it's not your fault. It wasn't deliberate. In fact, I should thank you that you helped me from getting out of mud. I should leave now. She looks at him and leaves. Salim keeps looking at her going. Anakali turns and smiles at him. She leaves. Salim smiles broadly as she leaves. See, love. So guys, thank you guys for watching today's episode. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And in case you want to watch This Is Fate update, go to God's Mercy Nollywood TV and expect updates for This Is Fate. Stay tuned. Bye. Subscribe.